Ever wondered why your hair isn't growing as fast as you'd like it to? Well, the answer might just be as simple as rosemary oil. Yes, you heard it right, rosemary oil. An age-old remedy that's making a resurgence in the world of hair care today. Rosemary oil is an essential oil extracted from the aromatic rosemary herb, a perennial shrub with needle-like leaves and a woody aroma. But it's not just its inviting scent that's making waves in the beauty industry. This potent oil is a treasure trove of benefits for your hair. Let's delve into the benefits of rosemary oil, shall we? First off, rosemary oil is known for its ability to stimulate hair growth. It increases cellular metabolism, which promotes the growth and thickness of hair. So if you're dreaming of a thicker, fuller mane, rosemary oil might just be your new best friend. But that's not all. Rosemary oil also possesses an impressive ability to combat dandruff and a dry, itchy scalp. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the scalp, reducing irritation and inflammation, while its antifungal properties keep dandruff at bay. And if you're worried about premature graying or hair loss, rosemary oil has got you covered. It helps to improve circulation in the scalp, which not only prevents hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, but also slows down graying. Now, let's talk about how to use rosemary oil. It's quite simple, really. You can add a few drops of rosemary oil to your favorite shampoo or conditioner, or better yet, make a DIY hair mask. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba, apply it to your scalp and let it sit for a good 30 minutes before rinsing it out. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure to use rosemary oil regularly for best results. So, to recap, rosemary oil is a powerful tool in your hair care arsenal. It stimulates hair growth, combats dandruff, soothes an irritated scalp, and even slows down graying. And all you need to do is add a few drops to your regular hair care routine. In a world where everyone is striving for healthier, fuller, and more beautiful hair, rosemary oil stands out as a natural and effective solution. So why not give it a try? Your hair will thank you for it. And there you have it. The secret to healthier, more luscious locks might just be hiding in a bottle of rosemary oil. So go ahead, give your hair the rosemary oil treatment it deserves. It's time to embrace the power of nature for the hair you've always dreamed of.